Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit any cryptocurrency into RedotPay. So first of all, you need to launch your RedotPay application and then sign in into your account if you haven't already. Now, if you don't have a RedotPay account, you can just simply use the link that is given in the description in order to sign up. Because if you do that, you are going to get $5 absolutely for free as a sign up bonus. Now, when you are inside your RedotPay application on the home page itself, you will be shown a bunch of different options like deposit or buy coins or swap. And if you tap on the option of more, you are going to see a bunch of different other options. Now over here, since you want to deposit the cryptocurrency, simply tap on the option of deposit. Then it is going to show you the cryptocurrencies that you can basically add over here inside RedotPay. So we have USDT, USDC, we have BTC, Ethereum, Solana, BNB, and Sonic, which is Phantom. Then we have TRX, XRP, and much more. So apart from these cryptos, you can't add other cryptocurrencies, so you need to select which cryptocurrency you want to add or deposit into RedotPay. So let's say you want to deposit Ethereum, so you need to simply tap on the option of Ethereum. Now select the option of on chain on the top, and then it is going to ask you to select your network. So since we are depositing Ethereum, you need to select the ERC20 network because that way it will be compatible. Now as soon as you do this, you will be shown the QR code and the link that you can basically use. You can use any other exchanges or wallet, and from there you can send the cryptocurrency inside your RedotPay account. So this way you will be able to deposit any of the cryptocurrencies into your RedotPay account. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.